Hello and welcome to the CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst or CySA Plus Certification Study Guide. In this video, we will discuss Chapter 5, focusing on key terms and giving you a solid introduction. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any thoughts or questions. In cybersecurity, the digital artifacts that serve as evidence of an attack are called indicators of compromise, IOC. IOC are one or more signs of a successfully completed attack and show how it happened. This evidence can then be used to determine what defensive deficiencies exist. After covering indicators of attack, IOA, in the previous chapter, which are preliminary behaviors that focus on detecting the intention of the threat actor as evidenced by their actions, in this chapter you analyze IOC. You explore common techniques for investigating IOC as well as tools for analysis. All right, let's dive into Chapter 5 key terms. First up, we have abnormal activity, which refers to uncommon behavior identified by comparing a baseline of normal actions against irregular or unusual behavior. Then there's Abuse IPDB, a website that serves as a central repository to identify Internet Protocol addresses associated with malicious activity online. Next, Command and Control, often abbreviated as C&C, is an online remote structure managed by attackers to send commands to infected devices. Cuckoo Sandbox is an open-source automated malware file analysis system. Moving on, DNS and IP reputation involves identifying the legitimacy of a website through its Internet Protocol address or domain name system information. Domain-based message authentication, reporting, and conformance, or DMARC, is a means for extending sender policy framework and domain keys identified mail by allowing the administrative owner of a domain to publish a policy in their DNS records to specify which mechanism is used when sending email from that domain. Domain keys identified mail is an authentication technique that validates the content of the email message itself. Email analysis involves analyzing authentication techniques that validate the content of the email message itself. The email header is the part of the email that contains information about the sender, recipient, the email's route through mail transfer agents, and various authentication details. Embedded links are hypertext links contained within email messages. Endpoint detection and response, or EDR, are tools to aggregate data from multiple endpoint computers to a centralized database. File analysis involves looking for evidence of malware within a file. Hashing is the process of creating a digital fingerprint. Impersonation is pretending to be someone else in order to send emails that purport to come from that person. Impossible travel is detecting the presence of an imposter by a geographical distance impossible to travel within a specific time. Interpret suspicious commands involves looking for evidence of operating system commands that a file initiates to determine if it performs a malicious activity. Joe Sandbox is an advanced automated and deep malware analysis engine. Log ingestion is the process of formatting and uploading log data from different sources to a central location for analysis. Logging level is a means of classifying log entries in terms of urgency. Packet capture is the process of grabbing packets as they travel through the network for analysis. Pattern recognition is the ability to detect arrangements of characters or data that can yield information. Sandboxing involves creating a fully protected environment for analyzing malicious files. Security Information and Event Management, or SIEM, is a product that consolidates real-time monitoring and management of security information with analysis and reporting of security events. Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response, or SOAR, is a platform that combines software programs and tools to allow organizations to synthesize and automate a range of security operations, threat intelligence, and incident response. Sender Policy Framework, or SPF, is an email authentication method that identifies who the mail transfer agent email servers are that have been authorized to send email for a domain. Strings refer to a sequence of characters embedded within a file. TCP dump is a command line packet analyzer. Time synchronization ensures that recorded times of a single event in multiple log files match. User behavior analysis, or UBA, involves analyzing user behavior to identify anomalous behavior. VirusTool is a remote sandbox that inspects items with over 70 antivirus scanners and blocklisting services. WHOIS is a transmission control protocol, internet protocol, query response protocol for accessing information about internet resources, most notably domain names and internet protocol addresses, as well as internal contact information for websites. Finally, Wireshark is a popular graphical user interface packet capture and analysis tool. Woo, that was quite a list, but each term is crucial for understanding cybersecurity analysis. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you are unable to do that, you will need to log in. Creating a YouTube account is free and takes less than a minute. To see more videos like this, please click in the rectangle in the middle of your screen. To see other videos from this channel, please click the circle on the bottom right. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.